If you want to connect your Salesforce Trailhead Playground org to Salesforce Workbench to do some experiments or practice with importing and exporting data, then it definitely can be done. You just need a few key pieces of information. The first thing you need to do is find out your username and password for your Trailhead org. So if you open it up and then go to the Playground Starter app, if it's not open by default, click on the app launcher and type in Playground. And this little app, that's only available in the Trailhead Playgrounds, not dev orgs. Once you're in the app, go get login credentials. So here you'll see what your username is. That's one key piece. And then you also need to press reset password and then create a specific password for the org. Given it's a Trailhead Playground, it would be authenticated just through Trailhead usually. So if you do want the password, you need to reset it to create one explicitly. The third piece of information you'll need is a portion of the URL so that Salesforce knows which org you're trying to log into. So the custom domain port. I'll try and zoom in. If you look up here at the URL, the portion you need is essentially everything after the HTTPS and semicolon dash, all the way up to lightning.force.com. So in this case, it's mindful Impala up to and including the word Trailblaze. So that's the custom domain portion of the Trailhead org, and we'll definitely need that if we want to log in. So I'm going to copy that. So when we get to Workbench, so workbench.developerforce.com, go yes, agree to the terms and log in with Salesforce. Now it's already Now, given on your browser settings, it may store that authentication and just log you straight in if you're logging into Workbench in the same browser window that you've logged into Trailhead with. But if not, you might be presented with this login screen once you try and log in. So what you need to do is press Use Custom Domain. Now here's where we paste that portion of the URL that we extracted. So everything after the HTTP up and before Lightning. So I'm going to paste that, and you can see it automatically converts it to the login domain. I'll press continue. So it's accepted that, that's positive. And then you just insert the username and password of your Trailhead org. I'll do that now just to double check. So first one, username for the Trailhead org, and then my password. And then a login. And now we've successfully connected Salesforce Workbench to our Trailhead Playground org. Hope that helps.